Courchevel 1850, nestled within the vast Les Trois Vallées ski area, is renowned for its stunning Alpine scenery, opulent amenities, and diverse range of outdoor activities, making it a premier destination for winter sports enthusiasts and luxury travel seekers alike. Today, we dive into an exhilarating snowmobile adventure in Courchevel 1850, offering a thrilling addition to the après-ski atmosphere. This adventure combines the rush of engine power with the serene beauty of the Alpine landscape, providing a unique nocturnal experience. As the ski slopes quiet down and dusk envelops the mountains, we'll venture into the heart of the French Alps on snowmobiles, promising an unforgettable journey through snow-covered forests and across the pristine, moonlit slopes. Get ready for an adventure that captures the tranquil yet thrilling essence of the Alps. Let's set off on this journey together. The experience starts at either the Ferme de Pralong or the snowfront in Courchevel-Morillonde, accessible by car, where participants are welcomed with an in-depth briefing on safety and snowmobile operation. The cozy ambiance created by a crackling fireplace, complemented by the warmth of hot tea and wine, offers a delightful contrast to the crisp winter air outside. Each snowmobile, equipped with a caterpillar track and skis instead of wheels, is designed for two, allowing you to share this unique experience with a companion or guide the vehicle solo under the watchful eye of expert instructors. The familiar slopes of Courchevel take on a new persona under the cover of darkness, offering a surreal landscape that feels entirely undiscovered. The thrill of carving through the snow, with the option to follow graceful trails or venture through untouched powder, presents a personal playground unlike any other. The night terrain, illuminated by the moonlight and the occasional glimpse of Mont Blanc, provides a backdrop for an unforgettable adventure. However, it's essential to approach this experience with respect for the powerful machines. Snowmobiles, sensitive to incline, demand careful handling to avoid overturning. The chill of the night air also reminds riders to dress warmly, with comfortable and insulated footwear being a must for this cold weather activity. For those drawn to the allure of the Alps and seeking to explore beyond the ski slopes, a snowmobile ride in Courchevel 1850 offers a blend of adrenaline and awe-inspiring scenery. It's just one of the many activities that embody the luxury and adventure of this premier destination. Our own journey through the snow-capped mountains of Courchevel 1850 culminated in a stylish Christmas dinner at the renowned Cheval Blanc Hotel, marking a perfect close to a Christmas day filled with adventure and luxury. Eager to discover more? Hit subscribe on our channel and keep an eye out for more exclusive peeks into the finest dining, essential experiences, and thrilling skiing adventures in Courchevel 1850. For those in pursuit of unmatched luxury and business travel, RSBU Travel stands as the pinnacle of excellence. trust in RSBU Travel for your gateway to the epitome of luxurious journeys.